Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will allow you to repair the instrument clusters of Porsche 911, 997, Boxster 987, Cayman 987 and roof using Minitools parts SCP-DISP-56, SCP-DISP-74A and SCP-DISP-74B. For this repair, you will need the tools now shown. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the back metal screws. Remove the rubber caps from the side buttons and with the head of the spudger unhook the plastic clips of the bottom side of the cluster, which has to be lifted in order to unhook the clips placed into the top side as well. Remove the back part. Fit the gauge overlay protective disc and remove each pointer, rotating and gently pulling it. Flip over the instrument cluster and open the FPC connector. Pull out the FPC and remove the smaller PCB. Unhook the metal clips and the white plastic ones to remove the board. With the head of the tweezers, remove and keep the 4 springs as shown. With the removal tool SEP-ESTR28, press, making an undulatory movement on the clips securing the gauge overlay to remove them. Remove the gauge overlay. Acting on the points shown with the head of the tweezers, unhook and remove the lighting diffuser. Now, undo the clips to remove the black frame protecting the 3 screens. Remove the central LCD, unhook the diffuser and the backlight, which will be replaced with the one supplied with the Minitools kit, to avoid chromatic differences compared to the original display. Fit the new backlight, the diffuser, and then the new display. If the side displays were to be defective as well, we recommend to replace them both with Minitools screens SCP-DISP-74A and SCP-DISP-74B to avoid chromatic discrepancies. Remove the metal frame of the side screens, which have to be pulled out, making sure to keep the conductive rubber strips. Remove the backlight. Insert the new Minitools backlight under the original one to avoid color discrepancies. Peel off the protective films and fit the LCD. Reinsert the metal frame. Repeat the same process for the other side display, as shown. Fit back the black frame of the 3 displays. Reinsert the diffuser and lastly the gauge overlay. securing it with the round clips. Put back the springs as they were originally, gently pulling them before to create more tension. Reinsert the side display's conductive rubber strips. Put back the buttons and carefully attach the board, securing all the white plastic clips and the metal ones of the screen's frame. Reposition the smaller PCB. Insert and secure the central display FPC. Position the needles. With the head of the SEP INS03, push them to the right level and bring them back to their original position. Fit back the rear part. Insert the front part. Tighten the back screws. Reinsert the caps of the side buttons. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools to repair dashboards. Thank you for choosing Minitools.